Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by identifying the fan type and ensuring power is safe. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap and power down the PC. Remove the side panel and locate the fan header and connector. Make sure you can clearly see whether it's 3-pin, 4-pin, or a single-pin ARG. Disconnect the fan carefully, noting cable routing. Meanwhile, install or update the RGB control software from your motherboard or fan maker so it's ready when you reconnect hardware. Now you'll attach the fan and any hub or splitter, matching pins precisely. Misalignment can fry the LEDs. Make sure the total amperage per header doesn't exceed the motherboard spec and use a powered controller if needed. Once physically connected, boot to your OS and open the RGB utility. Allow it to scan and detect each fan. Calibrate speeds if software allows, then create or select a color profile. Adjust brightness and fade rates so colors are even across multiple fans. Finish by routing and securing cables to avoid airflow obstruction, then reattach the case panel. You'll run a final test of colors and speed profiles to confirm consistency. Tweak timings and brightness if one fan looks off. If colors are incorrect, first power down and reset the LED connector. Pins can be misaligned. If problems persist, update firmware for the hub or motherboard, try a different header or controller, or replace the cable. These steps resolve most mismatched or non-responsive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.